Have you heard about the free produce boxes provided by City Schools? Well, make sure you check out the Produce Box Recipe playlist on City Schools TV. We provide delicious and easy recipes for you and your family to enjoy. From breakfast to dinner, we have you covered with veggie snacks, sweet potato hash, and so much more. So what are you waiting for? Go out and get your produce box to try out some of these tasty recipes for yourself. Who would have thought that this was absolutely free and all you have to do is show up? They're available at multiple locations throughout City Schools every Thursday at 10 a.m. Make sure you subscribe to City Schools TV to stay up to date with the latest recipes from produce boxes.